Who would have thought a simple squash could turn into such a cozy autumn dinner centerpiece? You'll find all the ingredients in the video description. I always check there first, so nothing surprises me mid-cooking. I scoop out the seeds with a spoon, then peel the butternut squash with a vegetable peeler. It comes off so easily. With a sharp knife, I slice the squash into thin fans, being careful not to cut all the way through. The chopstick trick makes it foolproof. I drizzle it with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of my favorite herbs. I love thyme and rosemary for this. If you enjoy simple seasonal recipes like this, leave me a comment. I'd love to share more cozy autumn dinner ideas. Into a preheated oven it goes at 200 degrees Celsius, that is about 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 35 to 40 minutes, until it becomes tender and golden around the edges. Meanwhile, I dice the onion for the sauce. It's the moment when the kitchen starts to smell warm and homey. I melt butter in a pan and gently saute the onion until it softens and turns a light golden color. A clove of garlic goes in next. Just a few seconds on the heat releases that lovely aroma. I always smile here. These simple steps slowly build the heartwarming flavor of the sauce. I grate some fresh Parmesan on a fine grater. The finer it is, the silkier the sauce will be. Into the pan goes milk, a spoon of cream, and the grated Parmesan. It all starts to come together. I love this part, watching it melt into a smooth, creamy sauce with that comforting aroma. I season with salt, pepper, and my favorite herbs, then add a pinch of turmeric for that golden glow, or sometimes a spoon of squash puree if I have it ready. Tell me in the comments what you'd pair this roasted squash with. I'm always curious about your ideas. I keep stirring over low heat until the sauce thickens into a silky rich texture. I take the roasted squash out of the oven, place it gently on the warm sauce, and the aroma fills the kitchen right away. And it's ready. Tender roasted squash with crispy edges and a creamy golden sauce. Thanks for cooking with me today. Leave a heart if you love simple seasonal dishes that still feel a little special.